Hello dear colleagues, it is my great pleasure to participate in 26th National Conference Association of Indian College Principals Unleashing the Power of Indian Knowledge in NEP 2020. I teach at the largest private university in Russia, Synergy University in Moscow. Today I would like to share my experience and discuss the topic Artificial Intelligence in Education and actual direction of modern teachers training or not. This is a topic of my research and future PhD thesis. Let's go! So, artificial intelligence is actively appearing in our everyday life. Unmanned cabs and vans, parking system in autos, deepfakes in movie industry, and etc. Yandex is the largest IT company in Russia, now regularly conducts an Eurostat research. It involves city dwellers aged 18 to 45. As November 2023, 58% of respondents heard of neural networks for text generation and 31% are already using them in their work. When it comes to neural networks for generation images, 75% of respondents have heard of them, 31% have used them so far. This is also the data of a Eurostat survey for November from Yandex. Big data and machine learning help detect pathologies in medicine at early stages, generate real artistic masterpieces, and, for example, generate images for math or physics problems, which increases the interests of students. A very interesting study was done last year by Uglova, Kruglova and Novikova. They decided to find out how much more effective is Psychologist, the ChatGPT neural network, which is popular all over the world. As an experiment, they offered students to use the service of a professional psychologist and the neural network in the role of a psychologist. According to the research data, the students were more active in using the neural network. Its answers seems to them more knowledgeable and understandable than those of the psychologist. Next slide. More money is being invested in artificial intelligence in education every year. Experts from the e-learning industry platform estimate that more than 47% of learning management tools will be equipped with the AI capabilities in the next couple of years. What opportunities does artificial intelligence open for us in education? So, it is visual perception, voice recognition, using natural language processing, personalized learning systems, and smart devices and AI-powered tech. How other teachers are interviewed using artificial intelligence? 91% of the teachers surveyed believed that artificial intelligence can be useful in the activities of a teacher. Accordingly, 9% believe that AI is not beneficial. On the slide you can see how the teachers interviewed are applying AI. At the same time, 77% of surveyed teachers want to take courses on the use of their professional activities. 8% do not want to use and 15% do not know to use. So, we have a logical question. How we do prepare educators, teachers to use artificial intelligence to solve educational problems? On this slide we can see what hopes teachers have for artificial intelligence in education. To figure out how to prepare teachers more effectively to use artificial intelligence, I propose to answer the question: is the use of artificial intelligence an ICT competency? On this slide we can see the structure of ICT competence of a teacher, which consists of three components: general user ICT competence, general pedagogical ICT competence, and subject pedagogical ICT competence. As we can see, there is a specific point in this scheme: use interactive equipment and end-to-end technologies in mathematics class. For example, big data, AR, VR, and etc. So it's part of a subject pedagogical component ICT competence. We have investigated how project activities influence the achievement of subject pedagogical competence and presented our finding in the form of Venn circles. And they concluded that the project activities are very effectively in developing subject pedagogical ICT competencies. Thus, it is possible to effectively build teacher competencies in the field of artificial intelligence using project activities. We have developed and are now running a 72-hour course for future teachers on the use of artificial intelligence and neural networks in their project work. On the slide, you can see the main topics of the course. We will get the first results at the beginning of this summer. I would like to conclude my statement by quoting the words of the President of Russian Federation, Vladimir Putin. According to the head of state, with the introduction of AI in science, education and healthcare, mankind is starting a new chapter of existence. But of course, AI will not replace doctors and teachers, but it will help them in their work, the President believes. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. I'll let to cooperate.